Here's another problem you were asked to solve. Minus 25 tan squared x plus 5 times tan x equals negative 12. And you were asked to find all the solutions within 0 to 2 pi. In this video, I'm going to have you use your calculator to solve this answer because you were not asked to find the exact answer. You only asked to find it within 4 decimal points. So let's plot this on your calculator. And I have done that here on my calculator. I have y1 is going to be the left-hand side of this equation right here. And y2 is going to be the right-hand side of this equation. So you will see that I have y1 is the minus 25 tan squared x plus 5 tan x. And then the right-hand side is negative 12. My solution is going to be the intersection of those two curves. I've set up my window to go x is from 0 to 2 pi because that's all I'm interested in. And I know I got to get down to y equals negative 12. So I put a y min of negative 40 and a y max of 40. Just make sure that your y has that negative 12 in it. And then let's graph it. One thing you will notice is here is my y1. Here's my tan squared. It goes down like this. It has an asymptote. Then it comes up like this, and it goes back down, and it comes up like this. That's my y1. That's my minus 25 tan squared x plus 5 tan x. And then my y equals negative 12 is this line right here. So this is my y2, which is negative 12. What I want to find is the intersection between these two curves. There are 4 of these. So in your solutions, you need to go and find all 4 of those. I will just review how to find one of them, and you will have to find the rest. Let me pull up my calculator here, and I'm going to go second, calc, and I'm going to scroll down to the intersection, and I'm going to click enter. It's going to ask me the first curve. I can toggle left and right, and it shows the cursor following my curve. And yes, that is the first curve. That was my y1. And then I'm going to click enter. Now it's going to ask the second curve. And if I toggle my left and right, you'll see it's now following the second curve. Click enter. And then in my case, your calculator may be different. It's going to ask for a guess. So I'm going to move it and then click enter. It's going to turn a little bit, and it will give me the intersection. The x value for this intersection is my x. It would be 0.6747 radians. That would be one solution. You could plot this also in Desmos. Desmos only gives you out to 3 decimal points, and I believe the Hawks did want 4 decimals, so you'll have to use your TI-84s or whatever graphing calculator you have. That's one solution. Go for it and find the other 3.